Good evening and welcome to this evening's equity market wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. The markets, it seems, can't really make up its mind. The benchmark indices started off uncertain with marginal declines. However, towards midday, both the Sensex and Nifty gained and were up almost 1%. But the gains could not sustain, and finally they closed after some amount of profit booking and closed up only around 0.4 to 0.5%. The Sensex closed at 18,629 and the Nifty closed at 5609. Broader markets too recovered from the initial losses today. If you look at sectoral indices, it was the BSE Oil and Gas Index which was at the top, gaining around 1.5%, but that was mainly thanks to ONGC, which gained around 3.8% today after its overseas subsidiary OVL has signed a deal on an offshore block. Also at the bottom of the sectoral indices was the BSE Power Index, which fell as much as 1.2%. Jewelry stocks had another bad start to the day, but they did recover towards the end of trade. If you look at TBZ, it finished only with losses of around 2%. PC Jewelers, which saw declines of almost 10% at the start of trade, finally ended with gains of around 1.4%. Gitanjali Gems, however, remained at its lower circuit, correcting 20%. So these stocks still continue to bear the brunt of correcting gold prices and also the regulation around domestic buying of physical gold. Crompton Greaves, a mid-cap company, finally saw some buying after a long period. So that stock was up slightly more than 10%, as there are reports that the company may consider a buyback of shares. Among Sensex stocks, Bharti Airtel, which was at the bottom of the pile yesterday, was the top gainer today, up around 4.5%. Also, other than ONGC, M&M was up around 3.2%. At the bottom was the NTPC, down 2.6%, and Tata Power, which corrected around 2%. Experts say that the volatility this week will remain thanks to the expiry of the F&O session, but other than that, there could be some buying that comes in at lower levels. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.